Hello and welcome to today's video. Have you ever wanted to remove something out of the background on a photo that you've just taken on your phone? Well, keep watching and I'll show you in the next 2 minutes. Today we're looking at an app for both Android and iOS phones or tablets called Retouch. Just to warn you, I haven't used the free version of this app, so I can't comment, as I bought it straight away just by looking at some of the reviews. The app allows you to remove an object in the photo, quickly repair the photo, remove lines or create stamps. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to create any stamps. Once you've opened the app, you can choose a photo from your albums. I've already chosen one and have it open, as you can see in the top right. First of all, let's remove my foot at the bottom of this photo by selecting Object Removal and painting over it. And then select Go. Okay, that looks better. Now I want to remove that line on the left, so I'm going to select the line removal tool and use the large setting. Cool, this is really starting to come together already, and it hasn't taken that long. But now I'm thinking I might want to touch up that area to the left using the quick repair tool. Perfect. I think I'm ready to save a copy or post this to my Instagram. This really is one of the best tools you can get on your mobile device, just to make some quick professional edits with little to no experience required. I thoroughly recommend this app.